is train number 2 of today in Metairie. H1 headage unit, paint H1 paint scheme. Engineer wave and a horn salute, alright. This is train number 2 of the day in Metairie. This one had 3 engines. This is train number 2 of today in Metairie with an engineer wave and a horn salute. There's that blue hopper again. I don't know if that's the same one I saw on the first train, but this is train number 2 of today. Going down the famous Huey P Long Bridge. Going down the Huey P Long Bridge. Going down the famous Huey P Long Bridge here.